Hey YouTube, this is Tina from rapnorthsneaker.us. Here is now review of the Jordan 12 Retros, the UNC, also called the Wolf Grey. Yes, you can see from the color, that is the gray color over the whole shoe. And this is an updated version. Of course, we had the first batch, but they were wrong. And this is an updated version, and you can see some detailed updation. Okay, first you can see white. It is very pure white. Okay, and the dark and the gray part, it is a light gray, not the dark gray. Okay, and you can see this angle. They also have the different angles. And also let me show the time. You see the blue Jumpman, and also it has the 2-3 in front of the 10. Okay, and also the back part. Okay guys, of course I usually made the video inside the house, so maybe you may see some different color, but this time I took on the outside, so you can see it is a light gray, not the dark gray. Okay, and also the bottom, also the gray color, but it has the different degrees of the gray color as the leather. Okay, now let me show the inside. This is the size tag, size 8. And also the shoe pad, it is red shoe pad with the black Jumpman. Okay, now let me show the final part. You see, you can see this the white. It is the pure white, not a little yellow at all. Okay guys, and this pair gonna release on 25th this month. And if you want to get an early release, you can contact me. And this is my contact, my Kik and my WeChat. Okay, see you next time. Bye.